Hi, my name is John Paat. I'm a general internist with Duke Signature Care Medicine. So my interest in medicine actually goes back a long way. I'm the oldest of five. My father's a physician, my mother's a nurse. My second brother is a general internist, and I have a sister who's a nurse. So I think really from an early time frame I thought I'd be going into medicine. I've had that experience in terms of talking to patients and seeing how my parents grew up, and what I really wanted to do is really to be able to help people, and that's what drove me into general medicine. Our concierge practice has experienced clinicians. I think that as you practice medicine, you learn more and more, and a lot of it is science and a lot of it is the art of medicine. So I believe the strength of our practice is that we have experienced clinicians. We're in a great setting within an academic institution where we have access to world-class specialists. We have great facilities that are convenient. And so really it's the best of both worlds. It's not designed to be an elite practice. We have patients really of all walks who really want just to have that relationship with a physician and just to make sure that they have access and have the time to talk. The best part of my day is actually sitting down, not looking at the computer and talking to the patient, trying to understand why they're here, trying to understand their concerns, balancing that with concerns that I have about their health. So I grew up in Ohio. I'm the oldest of five children, and we're all in medicine or some professional field. My parents still live in Ohio. I've been married for 30 years. My wife is a pediatric rheumatologist who also practices, and we've balanced our life for a long time. We have three children. My oldest is 27, youngest is 21, and they all consider North Carolina home. I actually like to do a lot of work around the house, home improvements, hobby, but I do have hobbies including collecting art. I like to collect toys. I have a gigantic train collection that someday I'd like to put out and enjoy. A lot of yard work and woodworking.